BCBAs, do this so your RBTs don't feel policed, part 2. All right, your RBTs now understand the competency forms from part 1. Now it's time to build checklists that feel fair, clear, and coachable, not like surveillance. Rule number 1, every checklist item must match a competency. Make items observable and behavior-based. For example, across your opportunities, the RBT follows the BSP steps in order when physical aggression occurs. Handles the behavior plan well. Now, keep it clean. Short list, 5 to 10 items per focus area. Plain language, use words your RBT actually says. Group it. Setup, during instructions, response to behavior, data collection, and for scoring, keep it simple. 1, met the step, 0, not yet, and needs coaching. That's it. The goal isn't to catch mistakes, it's to build consistency and confidence. Follow for part 3. Introduce checklists with the RBT, not at the RBT.